5 signs your breast implants need attention. After 30,000 procedures, I can tell you most women wait years too long on every one of these, especially number 4. None of these mean panic. All of them mean pay attention. Here they are. Sign 1, hardness that wasn't there before. A breast implant should feel soft for its whole life. Firmness that develops over time is scar tissue tightening around the implant. It's called capsular contracture. It's progressive and it doesn't reverse on its own. Soft to firm is a change worth examining. Firm to hard is a change worth examining soon. And when it's fixed properly, it stays fixed. Sign 2, position change. Implants that ride up high, drop too low, or drift towards the sides when you lie down. The implant is telling you its support has changed. Your tissue holds the implant where it belongs. When that support stretches or fails, no bra fixes it from the outside. The support gets rebuilt from the inside. Sign 3, visible rippling or wrinkling. Rippling you can see through the skin or feel along the edge means the coverage over the implant is thinned, or the implant style was never right for your tissue. This one is very fixable. A different plane, different implant, added internal support, but doesn't improve by waiting. Sign 4, the one most women ignore. Your implants no longer fit your life. Bodies change, pregnancy, weight, time. The implants that were perfect at 30 can be wrong at 45. Too big for your frame now, too heavy for your shoulders, or simply not what you choose today. Women ignore this one because nothing is medically wrong, so they feel like it doesn't count. It counts. Living for decades with implants you no longer choose is a real cost, and adjusting them is a routine revision, not vanity. Sign 5, age of the implants themselves. Implants are not lifetime devices. Nothing man-made in the body is. Past the 10 to 15 year mark, rupture risk rises year over year. And with silicone, rupture can be completely silent. No symptoms, no visible change, which is why imaging matters at that age, even when everything feels fine. If your implants are old enough to drive, they've earned a checkup. If one or more of these sound familiar, your next questions are what's actually happening and what fixing it costs. Both are answered. Watch why your breast implant feels hard and when it needs to come out. And $16,000 versus $40,000 breast implant revision, what you're actually paying for. Or skip ahead to the real answer for your case. The consultation link is in the description. I'm Dr. Shim Ching in Honolulu. I'll see you in the next one.